Let's move on to the second topic. Welcome, Joanna.
Hello. Can everyone hear me fine?
Hi.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So my name is Joanna Chen from Ensilience Corporation, and the technology I'm introducing today is the Carbon Management Service Platform. So I should first introduce that the Ensilience Corporation is a 100% subsidiary of the Taiwanese Yongfengyu Group. And Yongfengyu Group is a large conglomerate in Taiwan that specializes in paper and pulp production. And because our group is in the paper and pulp production, so we have been regulated by the Taiwan EPA to report our greenhouse gas emissions inventory since 2016 under the Greenhouse Gas Reduction and Management Act. And in 2023, because of the global net zero trend, we are advancing our endeavors in our carbon information collection and inventory taking and also management. So within our group, we have designed a system called the Carbon Management Service System and Ecosystem. And simultaneously, we are not only using the system within our group, but we are also promoting this service to market. So what this system does is that it mainly digitizes a company's carbon management information. So within this ecosystem that we are building within our own, with our own engineers, consultants, and outside cooperation parties, we would collect information from our own factories or from our clients and establish a carbon ledger with this information. And with this ledger, we would first establish a emissions profile of their plant. And from the information that is collected from their plant operation, we will be able to track and monitor their emissions through certain apparatus. Next, we will also do a carbon risk analysis according to the characteristics of their company or of their factory plant. For example, some companies would have to respond to EPA requirements, or some companies are actually doing their own voluntary ISO 14064 reporting. And according to their needs, we will give them a carbon reduction plan. And next, we will go into the consulting part of our service. So the carbon ledger part of the service is mostly a digitized tool, but we also have a lot of offline consulting resources that we are able to provide. And this includes assisting our clients to fill out their climate disclosure information. And from that information, we will also be able to give them a more comprehensive set of carbon reduction project planning solutions. And if the company or the plant is willing to carry out these carbon reduction projects, we will work with financial institutions that are our cooperation partners to offer them green financial services according to the climate information that they have disclosed. And also from our own Wi-Fi group resources, we will be able to offer smart energy or resource circulation technology solutions for our clients to carry out their carbon reduction projects. So within the carbon management platform, there's the most basic data establishment and query functions. So here we will help our customers to choose what type of functions that they are looking to use with our system. Are they trying to use the system for EPA reporting requirements or for the voluntary ISO standards? Then with this information, we will ask our clients to fill out to establish their corporate emissions baseline and their corporate reduction targets so that we will be able to calculate for them what their annual and also their monthly emissions quota will be. Then next, we will establish a carbon ledger. So what this ledger does is that it tracks your daily, monthly, and annual emissions trend. So from here, we will tell you what your carbon emissions data for the year is. And then we will calculate what your emissions, how much is your emissions from January 1st up until the day of your query. And then so from this data, you can find out how much emissions do I have left that I can emit in order for me to fulfill my carbon emissions requirements. And then next also we have the visualization of our clients' emissions. So you can see a times trend and also the different emissions proportions of the different scopes within the carbon inventory data. And then also, after you have completed all this data, the system can export or import a carbon report for our client to use, for example, for third-party verifications of emissions. And then finally, we have the climate information disclosure forms that we will help our customers to fill out. So a lot of these might include certain sustainability reports or certain forms that banks often use for them to evaluate a company's ESG standards or their availability for green financing deals. And of course, we have the carbon reduction news push notifications function that we will be sharing with our clients. And here is all the 10 major carbon management services that Ensilience can provide offline that will come as module-based services for our clients to use if they have the need for such services. So this is the basic introduction of the Ensilience carbon management platform, and we will be continuously expanding our functions and also optimizing our services. So if any listeners online would like to cooperate technologically or commercially, you are all very welcome to contact us. Thank you.